Beautiful people, MC850. This is a multi-purpose diamond construction blade. This literally cuts anything, dry or wet. Let's see what it's made of. We're going to start off with a piece of 90mm. This is industrial grade, 4.5mm cast iron pipe. And I can tell you now, if I was stuck in a car and the emergency services came out, that's the blade they want to be having. So we started with a cast iron pipe. We've now got a piece of black PVC pipe. Let's go. Love this blade. Steel tube. Let's go. Steel tube, another test material, another amazing result. This blade, honestly, doesn't cease to amaze me. Another test material, block of wood. I'll be honest, it doesn't feel right putting an angle grinder blade, a diamond blade or multi-construction blade through a lump of timber. Typically I use a saw. However, it's great to know that it lives up to obviously a multi-construction blade and it will literally cut anything you throw at it. Slab of concrete, we're up in the game. We've gone from timber, steel, cast iron. Insane. A brick. Is there anything this blade won't cut? We're still going. A product to test, Villeroy box. This is grade 5 porcelain. This is as tough as they come. So Marcrist use this as their staple to test all of their drill bits and blades on. It's gonna cut. So, grade 5 porcelain, straight through again. Another amazing result. So here we've got a Meyerhausen. So this is a glazed German roof tile. These things are as dense as they come and it's got a glazed coating on. So it'll be interesting how this blade reacts. German glazed tiles are super dense. And as you can see, that multi-construction blade, so nothing has come in its way. So here we have it, multi-construction blade. What an absolutely amazing bit of kit. So I knew it'd be good. It's a Marcrist product and they never disappoint. It's absolutely smashed everything we've thrown at it. And it's a superb bit of kit. MC850.